This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide, show, or blur mature content on the Discord app using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Discord app. To hide, show, or blur mature content, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to my little username area. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to tap on the little gear wheel. That will open up Settings. And under Settings, right down here, Content and Social, I'm going to tap on Content and Social. And then right up top here, Sensitive Content Filters. I'm going to tap on Sensitive Content Filters. It gives me two different categories here, Mature Sexual Media and Graphic Media. Under the Mature Sexual Media, it gives three different options: direct messages from friends, direct messages from others, messages in server channels. I'm going to tap on the first one, direct messages from friends. It gives me three different options on Mature Sexual Media: show, blur, or block. I can choose any one of those three. I'm going to tap off of it. The next one down gives you the same options. And if you go down below with graphic media, it gives you three more options here: direct messages from friends, direct messages from others, messages in server channels. You can change all those, but that is how to hide, show, or blur mature content on the Discord app. Thanks for watching.